How to restore silhouette cutting mats. Method 1. Scrape off dust and debris. Step 1. Grab a steel scraper tool. Step 2. Place it towards the top section of the mat and apply a little pressure. Step 3. Hold down the mat and scrape along to remove dirt buildup. Step 4. Clean the scraper tool and scrape down the rest of the mat. Step 5. Turn the mat to the side and repeat the process. Step 6. Once done, check and see if the mat has become sticky. Method 2. Use transfer tape. Step 1. Grab the mat and peel off the protective sheet. Step 2. Grab a piece of 12 by 12 transfer tape. Step 3. Place the transfer tape paper side up on the mat. Step 4. Line it up with the grid, then go ahead and smooth it out using the scraper tool. Step 5. Peel off the backing sheet. Step 6. Now you can use the adhesive of the transfer tape to stick the material. Step 7. When you're done using the mat, cover it up with the protective sheet and set it aside. Method 3. Use glue to restick the mat. Step 1. Grab a roll of painter's tape and tape down the edges of the mat. Step 2. Make sure to tape down all the edges. Step 3. Apply a little bit of glue on the mat. Step 4. Use a piece of cardboard to apply a coat of the glue evenly. Step 5. Let it dry and the mat should be sticky. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.